A year and 3 months ago, I had my first lucid dream. And you know what? It felt like unlocking a new ability, or rather a new sense, kind of like seeing, hearing, or smelling, right? Even touch. It kind of was like that. It felt very awesome and very good indeed. Now I had and a week, no, a month later, I had my second lucid dream, which was a little less awesome, but it was still a lucid dream, so, you know, that was nice. But then, I quit it. I gradually started to quit all the habits I was doing. I just learned a lot because I was still playing video games for a ton of hours a day. But, you know, they just dropped down to zero. I started to back these up again in a couple of months, right? But since now, like from that point on to now, I've seen the same pattern over and over and over again. First week, it's hype, you implementing new habits, it's hype as heck. Second week, it's hype, and then at the end of the week, the last day, and your habits are, instead of over here, your habits are like over here. You have them and kinda, but they're very subtle, and you kind of get distracted. You're finding something new to do, you know. And then gradually you do 2 reality checks a day. Yeah, that's not a lot. So that the same happened with me. I'm sadly saying, sadly. So I have made it even easier for us to get these habits right. And if you follow this, which I hope will be way easier than previously, you probably will get a lucid dream in 3 weeks, so before the summer vacation hits. The summer vacation is in my country 9 weeks, so I'll get 3 minimum lucid dreams in the vacation. Right? Seems cool, right? So it's gonna work like this. You're going to implement, or rather introduce yourself to a new habit every week for 3 weeks. The first habit that I started today, this night kinda, but today, right, is writing down your dreams in a dream journal. You start with the hardest one because there's still a little bit of hype to it, because that makes it a little bit easier to start the habit. And then the second week, you will introduce yourself to reality checks. Reality checks basically are like, you're counting your fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm not asleep, I think. I'm not dreaming, I think. I have 5 fingers. And if you're like, oh, wait, I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I might be dreaming. I think I'm dreaming though. And if you're like, I have 5 fingers. Yeah, that's possible in a dream too. So you mean like, okay, I will go like this. Okay. Wow, I say a lot of if you go like this, I'm like, oh, well, I'm not dreaming. But if you're like, yes, you are dreaming. Or you could do something like holding your breath and trying to breathe through your nose. And if it's possible, well, you're dreaming, right? So that's what you do in the second week. In the third week, you will start to write down affirmations. I like writing these down in my mother tongue, because I think that's closer to your brain thingy, or I don't know. But I just write down I'm a lucid dreamer, and then just 10 times, right? 10 times a day every time you go to sleep. No, I don't do this now. I did it when I uploaded that video a couple of weeks ago. But now I'm just gonna stick to this habit program to really make sure I'm keeping these habits in, because I think it's just an overload of habits if you start to do them every single day from the start, from the get-go. So to quickly sum them up, you need, in the first week you start writing down your dreams. The second week you do reality checks. The third week you start to get your affirmations right. You can switch every couple of days from affirmation. Maybe Saturday and Sunday you do like I am a lucid dreamer. Maybe Monday and Tuesday you do like I have regular lucid dreams, and maybe like Wednesday and Thursday and Friday you're like you write down like I am a no like I can have lucid dreams or something like that, right? Just you can switch if you want, but you can also just stick to one phrase, right? It depends on what you prefer. So that's it. That's the video. I hope this will work. If you count, in 3 weeks' time, it's summer vacation is coming along. So you will, if you follow along, you will probably get a lucid dream before the summer vacation hits, and that's just, that's quite epic, because it's the end of the school year, right? And it seems like such a short time, but you can actually get your first lucid dream in that time. So, thank you for watching, and wow, just remember, keep learning. Bye.